at this time here now, you guys are super hot, white hot, burning down the place worldwide, everywhere. When it came to Jamaica, you would see you guys on every single show, from the Stings to the Champion in Actions to the West Kingston Jamboree to the fall. Everything you could think of, Scare Dem was on the show. Tell me 3 shows that you would never forget that's sentenced in your brain.
Wow. The first thing what I ever do. And there was a show in Brixton Academy. And I tell you the next one. We have 3 shows stand out on my mind, yo. And a show in Trinidad. One time Elephant pushed me up on the stage. Me and Sean Garland and Vegas and the world was in Trinidad, Ninja Food. Them 3 shows that stand out in my mind all the time. More time I just reflect on them. The first thing, I never want to go up on the stage. Cause after Beenie Man, remember said the king of the dancehall, Beenie and the Shocking Vibes crew. Muscle. He said this, but me I tell you, bro, a serious thing, me I tell you, yo, music and magic, music and power. Music is a great thing, music thing. King, come like God put me up for a reason, bro. Sometimes I say, come like, you know what? Toddler, why you still there? You know, if you dead last night, why you still there? Come like God be up for a reason, bro. Cause I show them Sting. You see the Sting what makes Scare Dem. We scare them in the world. A Sting. A Sting that will Beenie, but Beenie sing. Ali can't sing. Silver can't sing. Lady Saw sing. Tonto Mention Levant sing. Frisco can sing. When the Shocking Vibes team sing the night there, when them come out for the stage at daylight, I one person come up on the stage and about to kill her. But you see that show then? Remember, so we were about to kill a Hope Knock right over the island. Right across the island, bro. You see that show there? About to pick up on the stage. Cause we don't want to work again. We did on class Bunty. Class the whole of everything. Being a deal with Bunty, wicked star. Yo, me not person being a deal with Bunty, wicked. After we have been a deal with Bunty, we have some no man, Bunty go, you know. And that's the Ellie, and that's the Maxi that say, you know. We have some Bunty, if you go to star. Cause the night before, we did White River Reggae Bash.
Yes.
This was the first time we caught over here.
Okay.
This is the first time we caught over here. So, remember, so the people have never seen us yet, you know. We have on gloves. The gloves that we have on anything there. Same image from the many video. So, we have used the gloves there. You understand? They use the image there from the many video. So, when it comes to show time, so we now go there, bro. You know, so I killer, we see how I come. The bands coming off the stage, and Killer Walter one. I think a Nigel staff that every time the rough cut, I think so. Me haven't checked back, you know, I think if I don't caution a rough cut. But when Killer walk come and I'm going to sleep for a cigarette and the man walk come to it, I you know, we don't know what make the bad so far, you know. But I'm going to make it happen. When gonna work, no bad can work.
You understand.
Killer walk come and smile like nothing you know. I be the man just class man like, dog, this is why I'm wearing a piece up in a kidney. And the whole show in a video free by them. Because you feel the killer, the whole show was like, yo, if Killer was a killer to come out. But Killer said, no man, I 2 word class to me, them sentence to my brain said no. And then that come out until my coffee lock. Killer walk come said 2 word. Man just come say a power times. I weed them away pan. The man never used the word me, you know. Or like him refer to himself only, you know.
Yeah.
Like he was 2 words to me, come like it lives so in my soul, come like motivate. You understand? Because remember, me first I'm on the stage, you know, bro. I mean first I'm face some people, you know. If anything them might kill me, you know. If you don't know me, I do, you know. Yeah. Remember I said the word girl, cause through other song, yeah. Make Scare Dem tour with Ellie Gowie and them thing. The Killer always say, at this is the open song. You understand? So that open song, you know, I sting this, you know. It's the first time he go there. So the first word of me said, And the whole, and the forecast, and the biggest fan machine of my life. Me never get back that kind of music yet. And now, me not think me get it back. Me remember the feeling, me feel that the feeling is not the applaud from the others. I feel that the feeling. Because when time I went out there, I said, well, I don't care for you now. Because for the bands go play, for me, so the first line, but it's the whole place. Your whole place. So when time the rest of crew walk on, them a float. Everything come for me, go there and lift the place. I said, well, I don't care for you, now your fucking crew. It come like, just because it was a crew.
Yeah.
On the stage, Shocking Vibes crew was there, and everything with them do, and how Beenie come, it come like Toddler that's come with something. That's what the people did not read there, man. The people did not read, and I wasn't.
Yeah.
So that the song there, it just shook down everything we had done from night. Everything we had done from night, and the whole sting show went the far with the band, the morning. Nobody can believe. I scared them the world talk about the next day. Remember Alvin Killer come through the show and of course media everything, you know. Remember say all the world talk about scared them so much. And them talk about the Shocking Vibes performance. With the whole crew part, Shocking Vibes, that performance, with the single accident. It guess like the point, no waste time. As come like an act call and an act, or the way it work, like an act call and an act, everything was pulled down to the ankle like a meeting. But the Russian was when scared them walk on. So the world accept us, they love us, put upon the mark. Any woman walk. The Brixton Academy show now. Elephant bar with snake chain. You have some flash name children. Graduating fashion from Miami. That sound there. One now on to them, man, big up fashion. They be called from by that tune one day. I love it. From by some US, I love it. Then it was over there in England, and just to Love Injection, they were a jewel store, buy some other jewels. I was in England, so you know, jewels, buy some other jewel. So anybody something I said, that not a beat up for the snake chain, but elephants love go work and run going a crowd. Some more time when I go and come back, it lose a bracelet, it lose a ring, it lose ears ring, it lose straight come one time. People pop things out fine, they can't let them grab it. Them yo, so sometimes some things have lost. So I said, keep a little bit in a broke. But say, yo, start your laughing bracelet back here and I came back. I went to Canada, you know, and they bought purple bracelets down, but purple bracelets diamond. And the man last into that crowd, you know, I tell the truth, you know. And that was the first time me go Canada, they got there already. But as we reach a place belonged by Joel, because some stayed. You understand? Because I'm make 10 grand, I'm going to buy down 5 in a Joel or 4. Joel kept him talking, oh, you do that? Maybe they're England, so that, oh, you buy that? I pray the shoes, I come with you, Joel kept because sometimes when you make the money, you have to show the money, bro. That's what it interests. It didn't, you know, certain people interest in like spending, but my interest for making you spend it.
Yeah.
And some interest group up buy money, you know, so you know, we spend my money different because we come and work a grand and then go over to 2. So we just invest back 1 in the place. But we make it left a grand or whatever, people have some boy, them like me. Can't turn up, we now make the money and carry the whole line, but we left back some over there. So when time is a man, we learn the chain and the man going to the crowd and last for chain, bro. Brixton Academy, we can't forget, I love that show there. Sold out, big show. I big up the whole of UK, we love South London. At least the whole London. So I can tell you, say, we have a history show in the UK where we love so much Brixton Academy. Yeah, man, I know the people from the last big chain. And again, Trinidad, them keep me off that crowd. When them keep me off that crowd, everything come off from me, every jewelry, but they did have a close tear off everything. And the show stop. And the man would have keep showing them mic. It's a toddler, if you go back on that show, I guarantee I get about all your jewels. When I tell the band to keep, you see me jewel them around the road, I buy that at Canada, I buy that at Bermuda, I buy that one around one place, I buy that at one place, I buy yo, because some weird things, you understand? If you come to one place, when I must come back, they just want a simple from there. So I might buy a ring or an earring, or you buy a chain or something. to remember in St. Jerusalem. I want to remember a place must buy. I don't want to buy a hat alone. I want to go to buy something, yo. And all me I think, you know what? I'm going to know, I want to buy instruments. You understand? Come walk in a guitar shop in a London. I was a Toddler, you know, sister came in here and they buy a guitar here. I mean, I said, wow. And I'm going to place to buy some little sticker thing when we want to put on some. So, I'm kind of said that it left in my soul with the man tells the sister come buy a guitar there, you know. So people remember you will buy certain things. So you see them and keep a name. So them to them want to know. So them show here is just that's them red Trinidad, UK. I have a thing when you think the first time Scare Dem walk on.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.